Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we're the Leffersons. And today we have something a little different. We have two packages and there are mystery Disney ears inside of them.
None are for me.
None are for Garrett, but he's here because I thought he would help me display them. And you just you love ears though. He gets super excited when I order ears from Etsy because they're all so amazing.
They are pretty
and
creative.
Next level. Just a little bit of a backstory. I am wearing a pair of ears right now that is from one of the companies that we're gonna be talking about. These are from DreamitDoitDesignCo and they are the Festival of the Arts ears. I wore them when we went to Festival of the Arts back in February, which those vlogs haven't came out yet.
Nope.
We're still on Christmas. We only have one more vlog for Parks One Day Challenge. That'll be up next. So I absolutely loved these ears and they're super great quality. So I have been following her on Instagram. Of course, I'm gonna leave everything linked down below, both of the Instagrams and the Etsy shops down below for both of these shops. But I've been following her on Instagram, loving every single pair of ears that she's been making, and she ended up at the beginning of the quarantine, she was like, hey, I'm gonna do these mystery ears for $15 a piece, and it's just a little touch of Disney magic, and I was like, yes. So I ordered 2 pairs of mystery ears from her, and then I went down a huge rabbit hole on Etsy one night where I was trying to find other mystery ears. So I found another company and they are called Best Day Ever Ears Company. And so I will leave them linked down below too. And I really like the style of their ears. So I ended up buying a mystery pair and then I ended up just buying another pair that I really liked. So one of them is not a mystery, but 3 of them are. 4 ears total. Yes, let's do this.
What do I buy that is anything like what you do with ears? I bought one, I don't know what it is, but I bought another one that I definitely know.
Pins! You do that with pins?
I do not. This is...
But you support the pins. You support the ears too.
I'm just gonna sit back and drink coffee.
You just wait because he's gonna be like, oh my God, these ears are all amazing when I open them. You just wait. Okay, I'm gonna open the DreamitDoitDesignCo ears first. When I open them, there's just a package. And there's a cute little sticker on here too that says DreamitDoitDesignCo. And there's also a business card as well. Okay, I'm so excited. All right. Okay, so there's a little thank you note. Ooh, and it's personalized. I love little personalized thank you notes. Alyssa, thank you so much for your purchase and for... Bleh. Alyssa, thank you so much for your purchase. Alyssa, thank you.
Alyssa, thank you so much for your purchase and for once again supporting my small shop. I hope that these ears can bring a smile to your face. Thanks, Lauren D. We know Lauren. She's one of our favorites.
It's a Lauren D. Well, she used to be a Lauren D. She's married now. Anyways, okay. Both of the ears are in these little white bags, which is really nice for packaging, actually. I used the white bag when we went to Disney the last time and I put these ears in them and they were really, really nice. Okay.
These are electric pink. I don't know. Yeah, you can tell.
Yes.
Through. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm so ready. Oh my gosh, yes.
Wow.
Yes. Okay, so these are some of the newer ones that she posted and I absolutely love them. They have them in purple and yellow too. They are super bright. Okay, I have to put them on. I just love the design of her ears. They are just, they're flawless and the quality is beautiful. Ah, I love these. Okay.
Those are some bright ears.
Oh my gosh, they are amazing. Yes. They scream spring though. And I feel these would be super cute to wear to Flower and Garden with my my floral shirt because they'll actually probably match some of the pinks in that shirt.
And I do appreciate that the pink is iridescent.
Yeah.
It isn't straight up just flat pink. There's some iridescence, purpliness to it.
It's so pretty. Oh, I love these. Okay, yay. See, this is already making me happy. It's okay.
Me too.
I know that I can't wear them to the parks right now, but I can wear them in videos for you guys.
You should wear them during your seesaw videos.
I should wear them for my students. We started remote learning on Monday, and so we've been a little bit busier, but yeah, I've been posting videos for my students. I should be posting them wearing ears every day. That's a great idea. Okay, there's another pair.
You ready?
It also in a nice little bag here. And it is, oh my gosh, I love these too. Oh my goodness.
These are similar in design to the purple wall that's on the way into Tomorrowland. And so if you follow any sort of Instagram Disney person, they pose in front of this wall.
I actually do have one picture posing in front of the wall. We'll put it here if we can find it. It's on our Instagram too, the Leffersons. But oh my gosh, I am obsessed with these. These are gonna look so cute with my Carousel of Progress shirt. Okay, she also has a pair of Carousel of Progress ears right now that are like next level, and I'm going to order them now.
As soon as she gets off this.
As soon as I get off this. But how cute are
Those
these? Oh my gosh, I love them. And this is definitely a color that I wear a lot, especially in the spring. I wear a lot of purple. They're so cute.
They remind me of Tomorrowland.
They are,
I don't know why.
Yes.
Like, it's just very.
But when I first opened them, I for some reason thought they were Epcot because
But
they
that
kind
works too. It
of
works
because it
across
kind
both.
of looks like Spaceship Earth too a little bit, like the design does. I don't know. I think it could be like Tomorrowland, definitely. So Magic Kingdom and also Epcot.
The other bright side of these is the bows are very tall, so they make you look a little bit taller, honey.
They do make me look taller. I'm like almost as tall as you. Those were amazing. I will leave her shop link down below. I know that both of these ears are for sale in her shop because I have been looking at it often. So I will leave her shop and her Instagram link down below. And the next one is from Best Day Ever Ears Co. And I have never gotten any ears from them before. Oh, but it says save 10% off your next purchase with code BestDayEver10. So maybe you guys could do that as well. But I am super excited because her ears look so cute online. Okay, so, oh, and there's also these little postcards. How cute.
I kind of like that because on days that you wear those, people consistently ask her, where did you get those ears? And it's hard to communicate in like 3 seconds as you're in passing.
Yeah.
So it's great to be able like, I got these from Best Day Ever Ear Co. and like give it out.
So I kind of like that they included a few of these in there. That's really cute. And also, I should also mention that in all of our YouTube videos, I link all of the ears that I am wearing in our description. So you can go back to previous videos, whatever ear I'm wearing, I have it linked down below. If I got it from Shop Disney or the Disney parks, I just put shopdisney.com, but you get the gist. Okay, these are super cute. Okay, we're moving on. We have moved on. One of the ears I actually purchased. So I'm
Would you like to see those first?
Yes, I'd like to see those first.
I know which one because I looked at the packing sleeve. Oh, these are cute.
Aren't they? Okay.
Ugh.
These are the ones that I purchased. They are even cuter in person.
But check out that bow. It's like a, what is that, burlap?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, it's like a burlap material.
That's
yeah,
cool.
It definitely is. That's super cute. But what's on it, Garrett?
That is oranges and the orange swirl, which is the best dessert that you can get.
It is like our favorite dessert in Magic Kingdom at the Sunshine Tree Terrace. I feel like we say that. We said that in like the last video. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. But look, you've got like these, it literally looks like the float too.
It is.
Like that's exactly what the float looks like. Because the float is like orange and vanilla ice cream swirled. And then there's like the
Orange Fanta
at the top. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I like how actually both of these shops do the little like iridescent sequins at the bottom of the ears. Do you see that? They both have them. I don't know if you can, yeah, there you can see it on that one. These are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try these on.
Yeah, I was about to say, put them on.
Gotta try them on, gotta try them on.
The world waits.
They are so cute. I love how every ear shop has a little bit of a different design too. Like these are a little bit wider and the bow's a little bit bigger, and these are like more condensed, but the bow's a little bit smaller. I love them both in different ways. But these are so cute. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Do you like it, Garrett?
I love it.
It's so cute.
If I wore ears.
Are you happy about these purchases so far?
I'm over the moon. If this was the moon, I'd be over it. Are you ready for your mystery pair?
Yes, I'm ready for my mystery pair.
Okay, we're gonna see this together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oop.
Oh, they're pretty.
So,
they're very pretty.
Right off the bat, the bow is the same kind of burlappy, but it has this, the ears are these flowers. They're like roses, tulips. Wow.
They're like perfect for flower and garden.
I was just about to say that.
Perfect for flower and garden. Oh, these are so cute. I wonder if all of her ears have the burlap.
Those bows, yeah.
I kind of like that. It might be her thing. I support it. I love it. Okay, we've got to try these on too. Do you want to try these on, Garrett?
No.
Okay.
I don't do ears. I don't do hats.
You do hats.
But the ear hats, the caps.
Oh yeah, those aren't cute.
That's not my thing.
These are so cute.
Those are cute, I gotta say.
They are, and these will look really good for flower and garden as well. I also saw on her Etsy website that she has a lot of ears that are kind of like Lily Pulitzer themed. Does that make sense?
I don't know who
that makes sense.
Pulitzer is, so could you fill me in?
She makes the really bright floral pattern things. I gotta show you.
Is that like that one gal that does the bags?
What one gal that does
Vera
the bags?
Bradley. Is it like Vera Bradley?
Well, it's more expensive than Vera Bradley. It's like these super bright colors.
I've never heard of that in my life. So if you didn't know that, we're in the same boat, y'all.
But she has a lot of ears that are kind of like themed like that, and I kind of want to go on and buy another pair like that too. These are so cute. Okay, I loved all the ears.
What's another set of ears?
What's another set of ears? Well, especially when we like do videos all the time, I don't want to wear the same ears every day.
Ew.
Look at all the ears. Look at all the ears we got, or I got.
Yeah, we.
They are so cute though. Which ones do you like the best, Garrett?
The ones that you have on, honey.
Really?
Yes.
They are super cute. Ooh.
I just love how violently pink these are. Like,
it's amazing though.
But the other bright side of wearing these ears in the parks is I memorize what her ears are, and I can see her ears before I see her because she is so short.
Yeah.
So that's why I can appreciate these pink ones, because I could literally be on the other side of the hub and be like, oh, there's Alyssa. She's going into Tomorrowland.
And as I said, she came out with a bunch of these different ones. There's also a bright yellow, which I thought about purchasing, and there's also a bright purple, which are really pretty.
They're so bright, they're changing the exposure of our camera.
I know. They're making us look super dark.
There we go, we're back.
I really love them all. I don't know if I can pick a favorite because I love them all in different ways.
They are good.
They're so good. You guys will have to comment down below what your favorite pair of ears was, and you'll have to let us know if you liked this type of video. I don't always do like ears and small shop things, but if this is something that you're interested in, we are really looking to support local businesses and support small shops during this time. So if you have any other small shops that you like or small shop ears that you really like, also comment those down below because I'd like to
buy more ears.
Buy more ears.
Because, you know, we just need some more.
It just makes me happy right now, okay?
Can I buy things that make me happy?
Okay. There's a difference between the things that makes me happy and the things that make Garrett happy, and you guys can let us know if you relate. The things that make me happy are $15 ears, okay? I spend $15. Well, here I've spent, let's say, what, $45. Wait, I spent $60 on 4 items. Garrett likes to get one item that's like $300.
Yep.
He has much more expensive taste. So when he's like, Alyssa, can I buy this? I know that it's gonna be like a couple $100 at least. That's so accurate though. He's not even gonna say anything because he knows that it's true.
But if you add up all the ears that you've bought and pins and...
But pins are for you too. I think that's it for today's video. Let us know what you guys thought about the ears down below. Thank you so much to DreamitDoitDesignCo and Best Day Ever Ears Co. for sending me these ears. I definitely paid for them, but thank you for sending me ears. Thank you for continuing to send Disney magic. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Disney content, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm gonna go drink coffee and read Harry Potter. Bye.